How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna share with you how I made this reggae type beat. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna play the beat first, then I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. Alright, so now let's go to the tutorial. Let me loop. Okay, I'm using 70 BPMs. Okay, as you can see, sorry. Okay, so the first is I'm using FL Studio Stack plugins only. Okay, for the entire beat. So I'm using this kick from this pack. Just go to packs, FL packs, drums, you see, kicks, cymbals, heads. Okay, all the instruments I've picked up from this pack. Okay, so the first kick is this. The first one is the kick. I think this is a reggae. This is one drop, I think so. Okay, where the snare and the kick are hitting at the same time. Okay, the kick and the snare, or the rim shot. I'm sorry, let's listen how it sounds. The kick and the snare are hitting at the same time. Okay, basic and easy. Okay, so, and this is another snare, just to fill up to layer the other snare. Okay, let's listen how they sound all together. Okay, next one, another snare. This is for the fills. Let me solve it. It's very easy. Let me mess with the velocity. Okay, with the others. Okay, next one, the open head, the head, very basic. Let me solve it. Ta 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 ta-ta, 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 ta-ta. Okay, then the crash. Okay, okay, next one. This is a open head to give some little flavor. Okay, and this is another hi-hat just to just give some little feel for the other open head, but it must be very low in volume. Okay, very basic. So next one, I've added this tom, and this one, and this one, the third one, just to give this transition. Okay, let's listen. Okay, let's listen how the drums sound all together. Okay, now let's go to the music. Okay, I'm using this the same pack, but now for instruments. Okay, this is jazz. Where did I find this? It's a guitar. Okay, it's a guitar. It's this one. Okay, I've played this. Okay, the next one, I mean this picked hum. Where is it? Picked hum. This guitar. Then I played this. Just 2 chords. Okay, this is a C minor and G minor, but I've pitched down 2 semitones. Okay, so next one, another guitar, the jazz one, just to give it reggae shuffle, this bubble and shuffle. Okay, then next one, I'm using this brass session from orchestral, this first one. Okay, I've played this, you will see. Okay, let's listen all the melody together. Then the bass, I'm using this PA is Classic 8 is this one, all from the same pack. Then I've played this groove. bang dang dang. Put your money down. What about the party down? Give bomb bomb. What about the party down? Bang. Put your baby down. What about the down? Put your body down. Okay. Another one, the last one but not least. This is just to give some little flavor from the chorus. Okay, I'm using this piezo from this guitar pack. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. Okay, that's it for the tutorial, guys. That was the beat. Let's listen once again, and if you didn't subscribe, just click the notification bell. Sorry, if you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. Okay, please just share this video with others. Okay, thanks.